Today we're talking about the difference between step, stamp, and stomp. These can become a little confusing. So for starters, we have our step. You take your raised foot and you're going to place it on the ground. Typically this is done on the ball of your foot, however it can also be flat and it takes weight, but it can also be done with or without sound. A stamp is a forceful step. So now you're applying a bit extra force behind the movement and it takes weight and is usually considerably louder. Your stomp now does not take weight and it's traditionally your flat foot on the ground. When we don't take weight, that means your foot lifts back up off the floor. One of the ways that I tried to remember the difference between each of these is a step has an E in it, so it's kind of like eh. It's a bit more chill, you're just stepping, it's the eh. A stamp has an A. So now you're accenting. A for accent. So it's a bit more forceful. The stomp is where you lift your foot off the ground and it's more of a ah, like surprise. So you got to pick your foot back up. Sometimes again, if you give your mind different ways to remember some of this stuff, it will help it stick. You're going to need this later on when we start talking about our time steps. So make sure you understand the difference between each of those. I will see you tomorrow as we start combining some of the stuff that we've talked about this week and we talk about our shuffles. I will see you then.